Jupiter is a huge ball of gas that's also a planet in our solar system. It's the largest planet, much bigger than all the other planets combined. Because it's made mostly of gases like hydrogen and helium, it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth does. Jupiter is famous for its big, swirling storms. The most well-known one is called the Great Red Spot, and it's like a giant hurricane that's been going on for a really long time. It's so big that Earth could fit inside it. This planet has lots of moons, more than 70 of them. Some of these moons are really interesting, like Ganymede, which is the biggest moon in our solar system. Another moon, called Io, has lots of volcanoes that shoot out hot stuff. Jupiter is also super important because it helps protect us. Its strong gravity pulls in many objects that could otherwise hit Earth, like comets and asteroids. So, you can think of Jupiter as a big space guardian that keeps us safe from space debris. In the night sky, Jupiter looks really bright and is often one of the first stars to come out. People have been watching Jupiter for a long time, and it's a fascinating planet that scientists are still studying to learn more about the mysteries of our universe. 1. Physical characteristics. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and is classified as a gas giant. It's about 11 times wider than Earth and more than 300 times heavier. Because it's made mostly of hydrogen and helium, it doesn't have a solid surface like rocky planets. Instead, its outer layers gradually become denser as you move towards its core. 2. Atmosphere. Jupiter's atmosphere is known for its distinctive bands of clouds, caused by its fast rotation. These bands are made up of different chemicals and compounds, including ammonia, methane, and water vapor. The Great Red Spot, a massive storm, has been raging on Jupiter for at least 400 years and is larger than Earth. 3. Magnetic field. Jupiter has an incredibly strong magnetic field, even stronger than Earth's. This field creates a magnetosphere around the planet that's vast and powerful. It traps charged particles, creating intense radiation belts. This radiation can be dangerous to spacecraft and poses challenges for future exploration. 4. Moons. Jupiter has a vast system of moons, over 80 at the latest count. Some of the notable ones include Io. This moon is known for its intense volcanic activity due to the tidal forces exerted by Jupiter's gravity and the neighboring moons. Its surface is covered in sulfur compounds. Europa. This moon has an icy surface with cracks and fractures. Scientists believe that beneath its icy shell, there might be a subsurface ocean, making it a candidate for potential extraterrestrial life. Ganymede. It's the largest moon in the solar system and has its own magnetic field. It's also believed to have a subsurface ocean. Callisto. This moon has a heavily cratered surface, indicating a history of impacts. 5. Rings. Jupiter has a faint ring system, although it's not as prominent as Saturn's. The rings are made up of small particles, likely from micrometeoroid impacts on Jupiter's moons. 6. Exploration. Jupiter has been visited by several spacecraft, including the Pioneer and Voyager missions, which provided valuable information about its atmosphere and moons. The Galileo spacecraft conducted an in-depth study of Jupiter and its moons from 1995 to 2003, revealing many details about its complex system. The Juno spacecraft, launched in 2011, has been orbiting Jupiter since 2016, studying its magnetic field, atmosphere, and inner structure. 7. Role in the solar system. Jupiter plays a crucial role in the dynamics of the solar system. Its immense gravity helps shape the orbits of other planets and objects, keeping some comets and asteroids from reaching Earth and the inner planets. Jupiter is a massive, complex planet with a dynamic atmosphere, an extensive system of moons, and a powerful magnetic field. It continues to captivate scientists and space enthusiasts as we learn more about its fascinating features and its importance in understanding the solar system's formation and evolution. Inside Jupiter, there's a complex and mysterious structure that scientists are still working to fully understand. While we can't directly observe its interior, researchers have developed theories based on observations, computer simulations, and comparisons with other planets. 1. Core. At the center of Jupiter, it's believed that there is a dense core made up of heavy elements, possibly composed of rock, metal, and other compounds. This core is thought to be roughly 20 times the mass of Earth and is surrounded by layers of liquid metallic hydrogen. 2. Metallic hydrogen layer. As you move outward from the core, there's a layer of metallic hydrogen. Metallic hydrogen is created under extreme pressure and temperature conditions, where hydrogen acts as both a gas and a conductor of electricity. This layer is responsible for Jupiter's powerful magnetic field. 3. Molecular hydrogen layer. Above the metallic hydrogen layer, there's a region of molecular hydrogen where pressure and temperature decrease. This layer extends upward and transitions into Jupiter's visible atmosphere, where the swirling cloud bands and storms are located. 4. Atmosphere and cloud layers. Jupiter's outermost layer is its thick atmosphere, which is mostly composed of hydrogen and helium, along with trace amounts of other gases like methane, ammonia, and water vapor. The atmosphere is divided into distinct cloud bands, driven by Jupiter's rapid rotation and powerful atmospheric dynamics. The Great Red Spot, a massive storm, is located in the atmosphere. 5. The mystery of the transition. The transition between the molecular hydrogen layer and the atmosphere is a topic of ongoing research. It's not entirely clear how smoothly this transition occurs and what processes are responsible for the distinct cloud bands and the movement of materials within Jupiter. The extreme pressure and temperature conditions deep within Jupiter's interior, along with the unique properties of hydrogen under these conditions, make studying the planet's interior challenging. Scientists use computer models and simulations to better understand how these layers interact and how they contribute to Jupiter's overall behavior. The Juno spacecraft, currently orbiting Jupiter, has provided valuable data about the planet's magnetic field, gravity field, and composition, helping to refine our understanding of its interior structure. However, many mysteries remain, and further exploration and study are needed to unravel the secrets of what's happening inside this massive gas giant.